Hey guys, market's getting ready to open here. I wanted to show you, I've been watching TBT for some type of indication on a change in treasuries here. And I'm looking at the monthly on a 3-year. It's very interesting directional changes on pivots. I also use a 30 SMA on the weekly here to kind of show us where we've changed direction on a longer term and then failed. It's significant because I do think that when we failed on my pivot line, we went right back up and hit that 30 to the penny. And then we have our 1 week over failure, and then we have kind of pulled back below, and now we're back above this lower pivotal trend line. Like I said, when we have a big move, we want to see where we pull back to, and this is the area here, so I do think this is significant. If we line that up with the bottom of here, we get this move across here. So we're back up in there. We're in this unique wedge right here. I think we're going to probably make a run at this top end here around the 34.70 again before it decides. So the interesting thing I'm looking at is the structure on the relative strength. We've seen this before, even though we've made a low numerically. We had some relative strength discrepancy here and divergence, and we had to move up. We're seeing that same divergence here. Lower move numerically with a little bit more relative strength on a comparative basis. If you also look at this pivot here, even though you look at the structure of this technically, it looks like it's a little bit higher. You can see also that this pivot right here where we change is literally the low of this recent move here. I hate to show you so many lines here to confuse you, but this 33.50 kind of area right in here is around where the weekly low is right here, if you can kind of get the idea. So this was a longer term directional change. It actually started here, but it was definitely more evidenced, I guess you'd say, in this area here, because that preceded this really big move up into the 42, 43 area. We're right at that pivot point now. So interesting, this action in TBT is something to be noted. The volume's kind of heavy here too, so this may get sorted and pushed through the top end, and then you don't really have any resistance until 36. So keep an eye on TBT.